keep calm and carry on. Come rain or shine, the English fans would make sure they packed out the home of cricket.
I take it the shirt is a reference.
This is the 92 one from Australia, this one. So I was there in 92, and it's been 27 years I've been waiting for this.
Kane lift that trophy on the balcony in about 10 hours hence is going to be one of the greatest moments of my life.
It was Lords like you've never seen it before. The sun came out and a World Cup carnival was born. Some dressed as cricket balls, there were even giants. The Kiwis wore captain's hats in honour of their heroic skipper, and others, well, they came as grass. Although their team was already back home, a few overconfident Indian fans were honouring pre-arranged plans. New Zealand rallied well to post a decent score. And back in the fan zone, the tension was unbearable. Some found it hard to watch, while others had a novel way of missing the drama.
Well, that is the end of the New Zealand innings. They've sent England 242 to be crowned world champions. For New Zealand, it's one more than they defended against India, so they know that they can do it. But for England, well, they'll be very happy with that.
And the English stalled and stuttered. The game was on a knife edge and eventually ended in a draw, which means the match would be settled by a super over, cricket's version of a penalty shootout. And New Zealand needed 15 to win. The Black Caps hung in and fought until the very end, but fell agonisingly short. England erupted. A nation had waited so long for this moment, and they were going to savour in it, even if it meant getting wet.
It's been phenomenal, right from the very beginning of the tournament, all the way through, regardless of our performance. People believed because we believed, and I'm very thankful for that, and everybody is as well.
A nation with a population smaller than London almost won the World Cup. But for the next 4 years, England can rightfully say they are world champions. Lance Santos, TRT World, London.